Thanks, Todd, for that great piece on how cats can fly. Coming up on Lanthanide News Network, are cats squirrels or are squirrels penguins? We'll see you after the break. Do you feel like you're missing an element in your life? Do you feel like you're lacking that special metal that will make your dreams come true? Well, now your wait is over. Introducing the lanthanide metal that has everybody talking, cerium. It was discovered by Swedish chemists Jans Jacob Berzelius and Wilhelm von Hisinger in 1803. Think cerium is out of this world? Its name is, coming from the asteroid Ceres. Now, don't let cerium's age fool you. This rugged metal has plenty of interesting sparks in its life. It's the second most reactive lanthanide and reacts so easily with oxygen that a simple knife scratch will light that spark you're looking for. Now, for those wanting to take it slow, cerium reacts slowly with water. But if things get hot, cerium will violently and quickly react. It also has a history of reacting with hydrogen, so watch your back. Cerium is currently engaged in being used as a cerium oxide nanoparticle, or CONP, which has been shown to work well as a therapeutic agent to treat a number of diseases, including cancer. Cancer! Your lovely element will be on the front line in fighting off one of the most deadly diseases in the world. Nervous that cerium is seeing someone else? Cerium can be separated by running an electric current through cerium chloride, or by heating calcium meld together with cerium fluoride. Cerium has many different forms, coming in cerium-136, cerium-138, cerium-140, and cerium-142. But watch out, because all those isotopes are radioactive. You can use cerium in the field of glass and ceramics to help eliminate that nasty yellow light. Cerium lasers are also used to search for two pollutants, ozone and sulfur dioxide. It can also be used as an abrasive. Cerium will always be around for you, with a concentration in the Earth's crust of 40 to 66 parts per million. Cerium is about as abundant as copper or zinc. So, if you're still wondering why you should buy cerium, just remember that it's on the front lines of curing cancer. And if even then you're doubting cerium's ability to make a spark, it's used in most cigarette lighters. Still not impressed? If you call in the next 5 minutes, we'll throw in the element neodymium for free. That's right.
Still in the same lanthanide family, neodymium was discovered by a German chemist in 1885 named Karl F. R. von Welschbach. He separated a material known as didymium and discovered neodymium, as well as the element praseodymium. Wow, that's a lot of dymiums. Neodymium has a tad of Greek in him, with his name being a combination of the Greek words neos and didymus, which together mean new twin. Think you feel a strong attraction to neodymium? You probably do. Neodymium is currently involved in creating a new type of magnet that will improve size and weight reduction over the past magnets used. Still believe neodymium can't prove that spark? It burns readily at 150 degrees Celsius and tarnishes slowly in the air. It's also an electropositive element, and it reacts slowly with cold water, but quicker with hot water. It also dissolves readily in dilute sulfuric acid to form other solutions. Think neodymium hasn't been scrutinized enough? Modern purification techniques for these lanthanide salt mixtures involve ion-changing chromatography, solvent extractions, and selective complication techniques. Neodymium comes in many different compounds, including, but not limited to, neodymium 3 oxide, neodymium hydroxide, neodymium 2 oxide, neodymium selenide, neodymium tribromide, neodymium 3 chloride. Now that's some diversification. Neodymium is also widely used in microphones, loudspeakers, in-ear headphones, and computer hard disks. What a busy element! Neodymium is right behind cerium in terms of abundance for rare earth metals, so it'll always be close by. One warning for neodymium is don't get too much in your liver. It can be toxic. Besides that, neodymium is the element for you. Still not sold? Neodymium is found readily in nature, so you'll never have to go far looking for it.
Call now and you'll get cerium and neodymium for 3 simple payments of $19.99 plus shipping and handling.
We know you'll make the Lantha right choice.
Did you know that 15 minutes could save you 15% or more on car insurance? Everyone knows that, but I bet you didn't know that gadolinium is currently the most promising material to be used in research on magnetic refrigeration. Instead of ozone-depleting refrigerants and energy-consuming compressors found in conventional refrigerators, this new style of refrigerator uses gadolinium metal that heats up when exposed to a magnetic field, then cools down when the magnetic field is removed.
Wow, wait, was this discovered in America?
I am Captain America, but this was discovered by Jean de Marignac in Switzerland in 1880 and named after J. Gadolin, a Finnish chemist and mineralogist.
Is it a scaly element?
No, gadolinium is soft, shiny, ductile, reacts slowly with water, and magnetic at room temperature. Just keep gaddling, just keep gaddling, just keep gaddling.
What about purification and separation methods?
Okay, so purification techniques are indigenous and involve selective complexive techniques, and the separation process is complex. The metals are extracted as salt from the ores of extraction with sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid, and sodium hydroxide. And common compounds of gadolinium are gadolinium chloride and gadolinium gallium garnet.
What else is this element used for, and where is it found?
Well, it's not found in the ocean, and it's not found free in nature. It is found in a number of minerals, mainly ores of monazite and bastnasite. World production is around 400 tons annually. There are lots of uses for gadolinium, such as microwaves, computer television tubes, compact discs, computer memory chips, alloys, and neutron radiography. Gadolinium, contrast medium, can also be used in MRI scans to improve the clarity of the scanned images. I know I'd want the best pictures for my internal structures.
Call 1-800-GIDO-LIN to get this amazing element today. Penguin Nemo, Captain America not included.
Dysprosium was discovered in 1886 by a French chemist named Paul Émile.
Fun fact, comes from the Greek word dysprositos, which means hard to obtain.
You can find dysprosium in color television tubing or with other elements. It assists in making lasers. When separating dysprosium, you extract it as a salt, but modern purification techniques involve solvent extractions and ion exchange. Thermal neutron absorption, cross-section, high melting point result in nuclear control applications and for alloying with special stainless steels. Dysprosium oxide nickel plays a role in cooling nuclear reactor rods. Dysprosium cadmium halogens have been used for studying chemical reactions. Dysprosium is never found in nature.
What?
It is found in the ores containing small amounts of all rare earth elements and a variety of minerals like gadolinites and xenotime.
Those are hard to say.
Radioactive isotope dysprosium-165 is being used in medical advances for helping damaged joints.
It's one of the rare earth elements. At least 8 radioactive isotopes have been made from dysprosium.
You can buy dysprosium for a low cost of $19.99.
Whoops, turns out penguins are really penguins and cats are really cats. The story's been canceled. Thanks for watching Lanthanide News Network. See you later.